think you can
Ryan, this is our newest adventure. Tell everybody what we're doing.
I'm going to hold on to the car and let it pull me on the Roadrunner because it will not start.
And why won't it start?
The battery's being a bitch.
Okay. Now we've got a second driver. This is Courtney. She's going to pull. And I'm going to attempt to keep all three of us together while filming. Let's see how this goes.
You hear a scream, it's probably me falling.
Okay.
Just fall the opposite way.
We'll go slow. Oh no.
Go slow.
Okay, I got it. Go faster.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. There's a truck coming.
There's a truck
And
coming.
there's a bump too. Here, okay.
Okay.
Should we stop for this guy? Yeah.
I suppose. He's going to be an asshole and make us. You better go, sir.
Yes.
I don't have a driver's license. That's what's even better. Oh no!
Don't worry, I'm still here.
Wait, we're losing Ryan.
No, you're not.
Oh, wait, ow, maybe.
Hold on, I got this. Hey, this is not bad. You can go a little faster if you want. A little.
Going pretty fast.
Woohoo!
What if I just hit the Camaro?
Oh, you better not run me into no damn Camaro.